I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
You like the rain? Huh? Yeah? Huh? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my fourth and final video to my Fall Decorate With Me series for this year. If you missed my first three videos, I have already decorated the entire inside of my home, as well as kind of redone my kids' toys and books for this season. So please go check out those videos if you missed them. I will have them linked in the description box below. In today's video, I'm also going to be doing a little bit of a month/fall reset. So I'm starting out with a little bit of planning today, just kind of getting everything in order for the month of September. Now that we are officially, I think it's socially acceptable to say, into the fall season. We have lots going on and coming up. Now that I am doing YouTube, I'm blocking out my upload days, which are Wednesdays and Sundays, which you see me doing here. I plan with a Happy Planner, and I also use their super cute stickers. So I actually have the seasonal planner as well as the sticker book that you'll see me using in this video. And even though the year is, you know, kind of on the downward slope to being over, I will have both of those things linked in my description box below, just in case you're still interested in them, because they are super cute. But yeah, we are going to do a little bit of planning, and then we are going to move on to the remainder of my cleaning and decorating for fall. And today we're going to be doing everything outside, so my porch and my front door. But for right now, let's go ahead and finish up in my planner, and then we will head outside with my little guy Cohen, who has an Oreo face, so just kind of overlooked that, but he really wanted to help mommy in this video today, since all of his siblings have helped me in the other ones so far.
Dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one.
You like the rain?
Huh?
Yeah?
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're new here, my name is Christy and I am a mom of 5, and we are a family of 7 living in an apartment currently. So what you're seeing me clean up here is actually my balcony, and we do live upstairs, so we don't really get to show off our balcony or our decor or anything too much, like I mentioned at the beginning. So I'm mainly just kind of sweeping up. I live in Georgia, so we get a ton of pollen. There it is, pollen, and just dirt, and it's outside, so outside things all over our balcony. So I'm just doing a little bit of a wipe down, sweep down, just clean up out here, nothing too crazy, and using some simple little decor that I got at the Dollar Tree, or even just a few things that I already had on hand, just to make it a little bit cozier out here for the fall. But I do try to keep it pretty minimal, and just kind of clear it out so that my kids can come out here and play, since it is the only opportunity that they have to play outside as far as at home, since we do not have a yard. Just a quick fun little fact about this chalkboard. This was actually a DIY project that I did when I was pregnant with my older daughter, Hadley. I went and grabbed this mirror from Goodwill and took out the mirror portion and just spray painted the backing with chalk paint. And I actually used this my entire pregnancy with her to do my weekly belly photos. So when we moved in here, I had hung on to it all of those years. So I brought it over, and now my kids play with it outside for something to do.
Under my tattoos, just a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, yeah, it's a remedy, yeah, oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, it's a remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, yeah. Let's go. Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me, but honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong.
Okay, now we are on the side of the building, which is where our door is. So again, this isn't seen by the public really, but I still like to decorate it for the holidays and the different seasons, at least a little bit. And speaking of this door, I absolutely hate this door. Like, honestly, I considered not even putting this in the video because the door is just so ugly, but it's not our fault. When we moved in, it looked like this. It was kind of dented and dinged up and paint chipped. I don't know why we did not get a new pretty painted door when we moved in, because our neighbors all have pretty painted doors. I'm actually considering painting it myself at this point because I just hate it that much. But as for today, I'm just giving it a really good wipe down and getting it as decent looking as possible, and then knocking down some more of that pollen that you see. I wish they would come and pressure wash or something, but they don't do that either. So there's nothing you can do when you're in a renter situation, and the landlord or the property managers don't really seem to care about that much. But I still like to take pride in what I do have, so I'm cleaning up out here and then just putting down a fall mat and a few decorations and a wreath that I made just to keep things cheap, since like I keep saying, nobody really sees anything, but it still just makes me happy to walk through a door that's pretty and decorated for the seasons.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on, and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound.
Okay, y'all, we are going to finish off this video with a little fall baking. I had some zucchini that I really needed to use up before it went bad, so I decided to make a chocolate chip zucchini bread. And this is actually a gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, and added sugar-free recipe. So I know that probably totally doesn't appeal to some of you, but I know that some of you do have either like food allergies or just try to stay away from some of those things. So I will link this recipe in the description box below. It turned out delicious. The only thing I wish I would have done differently is maybe try to squeeze some of the water out of the zucchini, because zucchini is a really it's really water dense, so the bread ended up a little more moist than I would like it, but it still tasted really delicious. And there's a clip at the very end of this video of how I eat it. I just pop it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and then put a little bit of grass-fed butter on the top, and it's really, really good, especially for breakfast in the morning or for an evening snack with some coffee.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember All things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Okay guys, that's going to be it for today. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out my description box for links to some of the different items that you saw in today's video, as well as the recipe for the chocolate chip zucchini bread. Also check out my previous 3 videos, the first 3 videos to my Fall Decorate With Me series. And I will see y'all this Saturday in the next one. Bye!